how to turn on or turn off vibration for incoming call on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on the settings icon. In the settings screen, go down and tap on sounds and haptics. Next, tap on ringtone. Now go to the top and tap on vibration. If you want to turn off vibration for the incoming call, select none, and this will turn off vibration. If you want to turn on vibration, you can choose synchronize default or one of the vibration pattern in the standard list. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key to go back to your settings or swipe up to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.